Hi everyone, welcome back to my tutorials. Today I would like to show you how to make a bird of paradise. In my case, I'm using a golden color serviette because it's harmonized with my table decorations. But in your case, you can choose whatever color of serviette of your choice so that it matches with your decorations. So what you need is a high quality serviette and fold it according to the videos. It is a very simple folding method, however the result will be very satisfying. Watch until the end and you will see how this look. I am sure that you will like it. There you go, your final product is now ready. Wasn't it beautiful and yet so simple to do? I really hope that you like this video and please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And also please let me know about your thinking regarding to what kind of origamis or what kind of survey that you really want to know, and I will make it according to your choice. Thanks. Bye.